Hello, welcome to Happy Hour. So this week, actually let me rephrase, last week we did apple cider. We did a hot apple cider. Well, I had quite a bit of leftover apple cider. So we saved, okay, this isn't that much left over anymore, but it's enough for this cocktail. Anyway, so today we are going to make a apple cider martini. Now we're going to use a vodka that I haven't used in demonstration before or in our happy hour before. We're using the 503 Distillery. We've used them before. Oh boy, Tiki's really giving his input today. And then we're also going to use the Vanilla Vodka. So if you haven't tried this, this is the 20 grand Vanilla Vodka. It is delicious. We're not going to use too much of this one. We're going to have pretty even ratios of apple cider to our regular vodka, and then we're just going to have a little hint of the vanilla. So let's get started mixing. Without further ado, let's start mixing. If you haven't watched how to make that apple cider, we started the happy hour last Sunday with the blender running. So you can click right up here and watch that of how to make it. It's really pretty easy and a lot of fun. All right, so we did 1.5 ounces of the 503 regular vodka, and we're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of the vanilla one here. And then we're gonna do 1.5 of our apple cider. All right, and then shake. So if you did want to rim your martini glass with something, you could do like a cinnamon sugar rim. To me, that's a little too sweet. This is going to be pretty sweet as it is. Let's pop this on here. All right. Let's strain this into our beautiful martini glass. Okay. Ooh, that looks good. So 1.5 ounces of regular vodka, 1/2 ounce of the vanilla, 1.5 ounce of the apple cider. Ooh, that looks pretty. Oh, that smells amazing. Ooh, that's delightful. Okay, if you're planning like a fall party, this is like fall in a martini glass. You have that like earthiness from the cinnamon and the nutmeg that we used in the apple cider. But you do get the vanilla, like it's there. Wow, was that good? Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in to our happy hour today for our apple cider martini. We're well into September now, nearing the end of September. Tiki is very excited today. We are going to have a video coming up of how to make homemade granola that I took a recipe from a friend of mine and did a little bit of a spin. So we'll have that coming up soon. Thank you guys so much. We will see you next Sunday, 3:30 Pacific Standard Time. Hit that like, hit the subscribe. Do share the channel with your family and friends. It helps us out. We appreciate you guys greatly. Thanks so much. See you soon.